Incident, ladies and gentlemen, a couple died by suicide before killing two of their children, allegedly due to financial problems and health-related issues in Hyderabad on Monday night. The bodies of 44-year-old man and his 35-year-old wife were found in separate rooms, while their minor children were found dead on the bed. The police has said that the incident happened at around 9:30 p.m. at their residence at the Ravindra Nagar colony. The police rushed to the spot after getting a call from the neighbors and began investigation. Preliminary inquiry revealed that the couple had first strangled their children to death before hanging themselves. Let me go across to my colleague Uma, who is joining us with more details. Uma, quite a tragic story this coming in from Hyderabad.
Extremely tragic story indeed. I just visited the home location of this family, which is in Habsiguda on a Barsati, and regular looking stuff around. You know, you have a bicycle, you have what children call as a scooter, and clothes hanging around. So what the ACP of the area told me is that the man Chandrasekhar Reddy, who's 44-year-old, he is in fact a lecturer in a junior college and did not have employment for the last 2 years, and that's the reason he seems to have been extremely under distress and frustrated and in a sense depressed, obviously, because of which he and his wife Kavita, who is about 35 years old, seem to have taken the extreme step. I'm here now at, in fact, the Gandhi Hospital, where the mortuary is right behind me, and the post-mortem is happening of all the different bodies. And what we do understand is that this was a regular middle-class family. The husband, or rather the father of the children, he had his siblings here. So did Kavita. She also had her siblings here, and yet what very often happens in middle class families about not revealing the extent of your distress or your mental state to anyone else, are not able to reach out to any kind of a counseling or help that can bring you out of that kind of a mental state. Because both the children were studying in private schools. The 13-year-old girl Shrita Reddy was a 9th class student. The 10-year-old boy Vishwanath was a class 5 student. Both of them were in private schools, and obviously that would have added to the burden, financial burden of the family, and unable to deal with it is what we understand. This man has taken an extreme step, and he has written a note in which he has mentioned about the financial woes that he was undergoing. And he has also, what the police also found was that the children were on the bed, so obviously they have been should I say, their life has been ended by the parents, after which the police also found the bodies of the husband and the wife in 2 separate rooms. We understand that they had hanged themselves to death. Whether the husband hanged the wife to death and then killed himself, that is not yet clear, but it does appear that both the husband and wife were found in separate rooms, hanged to death, and the tragedy of the middle class, not able to have any social security net, not reaching out to any kind of a counseling service that could have perhaps saved the life of this family. 4 precious lives lost because of what appears to be economic distress, financial distress with unemployment. Back to you.